Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use voice control on your iPhone to control your iPhone with just your voice. So let's get started. So the very first thing you need to do is go into your setting, and then from there on, we're going to go to accessibility. And from accessibility, you're going to scroll down under physical and motor, and in this section, you'll see an option. This is voice control. So we're going to tap on it. Now, voice control allows you to use your voice to control your iOS devices even when you're on call. So as you can see right here, but you have to set it up first. So let's go ahead and click on set up voice control. And as you can see here, the options here that are available. So we're going to hit continue. And along with that, just before we go there, if you didn't know, you have to select the language. As you can see here, it's the United States one. You can change this to the available languages that are available right here. As you can see here in this list, I'm just going to keep a default one, and I'm going to hit continue. And here are some commands you can do. This is some commands that voice recognition will pick up, like opening applications, closing application, going home, going back, and then stop listening. You can also do things with the on screen if you want to tap, swipe, and then all of this options that are available as a sample. So let's go ahead and hit done. And then you can also use a tutorial if you want to get more information. There's other things you can also change here. Additionally, now with this turned on, we can now issue a command. Go home. Open messages. Close messages. Open settings. Go back. Tap voice control. Tap voice control. And as you can see here, now we also have turned off voice control by issuing these commands. Now, these are really helpful when it comes to not touching your phone, but issuing commands. You do have to get used to issuing the commands. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. So please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. See you guys next time.